Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, we are going to discuss about an interesting AI tool. So this AI tool will be very useful for students and research scholars, especially those who are struggling to prepare any assignments or essay. It will be very useful for, especially for students. So let us go on to today's video and explore that AI tool and how it will work out for our academic purposes. Before moving to today's video, an important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct an online workshop on conference and journal paper writing using AI tool. The main objective of this workshop is to familiarize you all with different AI tools useful for research paper writing, and also we are going to explore different types of research prompts in Chatgpt and how to bring out Chatgpt for our research paper writing. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop, and the important thing is that I am going to show you a live research paper writing using different kind of AI tools. So don't forget to register this online workshop. Surely you will know more about the different AI tools available in the market, especially for your academic writing. Moving on to our today's video, the AI tool what we are going to discuss today is that Aidemia. So here you can see that teaching content and ideas by Chatgpt, uniquely created for you in seconds by Chatgpt and 30 other AI tools. So here you can see. So these are the things available. Select what you create for free. So first one is lesson start ideas, text to speech lesson part ideas, create image, quiz and homework. So these will be very helpful for teachers and students. So next here you can see course plan, presentation draft. So you can make slides using this. Next discussion questions, restyle text. So you can change the style of the text or any report. So next one is essay grading. So grading and feedback to the essays. For example, if you have created any essays or any assignments, so you can get that grading for that essay also. So next one is lesson plan, scripts or plan of lessons. Next one is any work grading, essay topic, unique essay on any topic. Next is story, unique story on any topic. Next, these are related with parents meeting, class information hour, free request. Mostly all the templates are relevant to teaching learning processes. So and then click on more. So you have to pay even use for there are many templates are available, so for that you have to pay. So apart from this, all this templates you can use it for free. So first I am going to explore this topic essay. So what is the topic? So for example, I am going to give Internet of Things. So this is the common topic I am going to give. So what is the subject? So for example, I am going to give design and technology. So here you can see the grade of that particular that is school standards will be given. So starting from grade 1 to 12, and then you can see preschool or college or adult courses. So here you can give college. So here these are locked, how many pages, so like that it will ask. So in order to give that preferences, so you have to go for a subscription option. So other than that, so you can enter what are the important things available, that is topics you want, and then you can just click create. So automatically it will create an essay for you. So here you can see that, so the Internet of Things impact on design and technology. So here you can see that Internet of Things introduction. So next, understanding the Internet of Things, implications for design, user-centric aesthetic considerations, technology innovations, data-driven insights, sustainability, conclusion. So this is how the content is generated. So you can use this content for your writing. So the important thing is that, so if you want to download, so you have to go for a subscription option. So next important thing is that, so here you can see that essay grading. So you can copy and paste any essays. So here you have to select the number of pages and the subjects, and then so you can paste the essay, that is paste the text of the essay. So after that, so you can select the age group and you can give create. So automatically the grading of the essay will be given. So next one is presentation draft. So this presentation draft, so you have to go for subscription option. So other than that, you can use this particular essay for free. So next one is that you can use this quiz template for free. So if you want to create a quiz questions, so just click on this quiz. So and then you can give the anything you want, that is for example design and technology. So here you can select whatever the subjects you want. So there are the different subjects will be given. So for example I am going to give it is economics. So and then age group, for example I am going to select college. So what is the topic? So here you can give your topic. So and then you can select the question types, open-ended or closed-ended. So next, number of questions. So and then you can create. So and also you can select the number of answers too. So thereby it will give the options also. So here you can see that. So I have asked a quiz questions related with macroeconomics, and I have not given any options. So automatically it is generated the content. So define gross domestic product and explain its significance in macroeconomics. Provide an example of how GDP can be measured. Discuss the role of fiscal policy in managing economic fluctuations. What are the main tools of fiscal policy used by government? So like that it will generate the content. So next you can explore this create image. So you can create an image. So after that you can see lesson start ideas, lesson part ideas. So like that these are the different options available. So go on and explore this Aidemia for your academic purposes, especially those who are teachers and students. So this AI tool will be very useful for you. So as far as plans and pricing is concerned, so here you can see that. So it is $19.99. So this is the special offer given by this Aidemia. So you can create without limits by using all the templates. So if you are interested in, so go on and explore this different types of AI templates. It will be very useful for the people who are in academic side. So thank you for watching this video. So don't forget to subscribe our channel. So have a nice day. Thank you.